Greetings from Söderbysjön and this beautiful nature here in Sweden. Now today it was supposed to be colder and cloudy, but it appears to have lots of sun so far and 22 degrees Celsius in the air, and it's gonna be also warm in the lake as well. And I have found a peaceful spot here in the forest in Söderbysjön for a quick swim today. And on this 5th of August 2026, I'm not really sure which beach day it is, but we continue the streak for sure. Very scenic cliffs, and also you need to pass by big forest in order to get here on a more secluded spot here in the nature. And it's nice to go in for a swim in the lake on a day like this, when you can see nobody in the lake. And I know there is a very nice way to get into the water here as well, and it looks amazing indeed. So let's then get going and head off to the water with a swim here at Söderbysjön. Spontaneous nude beach spot as well. I think I have stepped on something on my foot, hopefully nothing dangerous, but we then are ready to get into the water, and let's check it out how it is. It's quite decent actually, and even though it's a bit warm, not so many people all around, but we are going in anyway. Ready, set, look at that. It's very scenic, very beautiful. On the other side I don't see at all any people on the public beach, and yesterday it was super busy, but it was also super sunny. And yeah, this is what it looks like on an August day like this. Perfect for a quick swim in the lake to refresh a bit. Still, the waters are very warm, to be fair. Around 20 degrees is definitely here today. Yesterday I measured in Flatten 22 degrees. It was warm, but also with a little bit of more winds as well. But yeah, I just love this type of cliff beaches where you can enjoy a spontaneous nude beaches as well, as those are the ones that I'm usually visiting. And yes, now it's time for Chris to wrap up this swim adventure and beach adventure and continue the day here in Stockholm. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.